Welcome to our channel. Linking your Amazon Prime account to Twitch unlocks exclusive benefits including free monthly channel subscriptions and special in-game content. Follow these comprehensive steps to connect your accounts. Step 1. Open your web browser and visit the Twitch website. Log in to your Twitch account using your username and password. Step 2. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Navigate to the Connections tab in the left sidebar menu to view all available account linking options. Step 4. Scroll down until you find the Amazon section and click on the Connect button next to Amazon. Step 5. You'll be redirected to Amazon's login page. Enter your Amazon Prime account credentials to proceed. Step 6. Review the permissions that Twitch is requesting and click Authorize to allow the connection between accounts. Step 7. Once authorized, you'll be redirected back to Twitch. Your accounts are now successfully linked. Step 8. Verify the connection by checking for the Prime Crown icon next to your Twitch username and accessing Prime Gaming benefits. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.